At the Unitedworld Institute of Behavioral Sciences, learning goes beyond textbooks into understanding people and emotions. With a focus on intellectual diversity, students explore psychology through culture, behavior, and human experiences, shaping multidimensional thinkers. Blending Indian behavioral insights with global psychological frameworks, UIBS drives research that is relevant, impactful, and future-focused. Through a practice-integrated learning model, students engage in therapy labs, counseling simulations, and behavioral analysis, bridging theory with real-world application. Backed by clinical exposure, industry partnerships, and live case studies, learning extends into hospitals, communities, and research environments. At its core, UIBS nurtures emotional intelligence, empathy, cognitive behavior, and human understanding, preparing students for evolving careers in mental health and behavioral science. Because here, it's not just about intelligence, it's about connection. UIBS, here ambition goes beyond AI.